put it right back if you're not using an umbrella. Overall, it's really nice. Yeah, we like it. It's gonna work great. Different events. All right, guys, so we got Costco's table from Amazon. I was shocked. I don't know, if this is for everyone, but for us, it came within 2 days, which is crazy. We have Prime, and it came within 2 days. That's awesome. So this is the Costco table and picnic table. I'm gonna take it apart and set it up, show you guys what it looks like outside. So guys, it comes in pieces. You're probably gonna want to set this up outside wherever you want it at. So that's what we're gonna do. So guys, this is all the hardware that you need. Let me go and show you the pieces. So that's it. It's very simple. All right, guys, so we got it finished up. So it's actually very simple to put together. It's just more annoying putting the bolts in because it takes time. It's time consuming, but they provide you all the tools needed. So yeah, just to go over, you really don't need the instructions. I didn't read the instructions. It's very simple. The short bolts go here, 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 here. Short bolts go here, here. Same on the other side. And the long bolts just go directly in here with the washer. So it goes on the inner side, and that's it. It's just very simple. Let's go ahead and set it up. So this is it. I think they say it's like 50-60 pounds. The box said 78 pounds. So, well, I guess it could be like 70 pounds, 74 pounds. But anyway, what you want to do under here, make sure you slide these. See this right in here? Slide that over like that. That way it locks in place. Do the same for the other side. You just push this down, push this bar down, slide that down, and you're good to go. That just helps secure it. But yeah, looks nice. For an umbrella, you just pop this cap out from underneath, just like that. Put it right back if you're not using an umbrella. Overall, it's really nice. Yeah, we like it. It's gonna work great. Different events.